animals.
Hello guys, I'm Haza Pro Gamer and today I am playing my summer car, build version 172. Okay, I start with new game, Haza Pro, and this game is from Finland and this is your driving license, but I don't know why there is no picture. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is my house. And this is my bed. There I can sleep at night and day. This is phone. You can drink beer. You can eat, but I don't want to eat right now. And you can buy tuning parts. Yes. Okay, how to close this? Come on. Okay, I don't want this. Okay. Nice. Okay, this is my car. Yellow car. It looks like Datsun or something. Okay, close hood. Yeah. Okay, this is my garage. And today I'm trying to build gearbox. This is all parts, engine parts, fuel tank, car parts. Nice. Okay, let's move this. You can open toolbox with U. Okay, we need block. There's block. Okay. This is block. Now you need this crankshaft. Put it on. Main bearings. Come on. Put on. Oh, yeah. Don't fall over. Okay. Mm, 8, 9, 9. Yes, it's 9. Today I show you only how to put on gearbox, oil pan. Okay, now let's put on pistons. Piston 1, somewhere, something. Come on. Okay. Cement. This game is very realistic. I like this. Okay, now let's put on camshaft. Oh. Now this. Okay, and now you need to put on teaming cover. Oh, there is teaming cover. Come on. 6, we need 6. You can buy this game. No. You can buy this game on Steam because this game is not released. Okay, now water pump. Where is water pump? Yes. Let's put it on. Wait. 9, no, 7. Okay. Water pump pulley. Let's put it on. We need 10 spanner 10. Okay, now let's put on fan belt. Come on, put on. Yes. And now let's put on alternator. Come on, yes, nice. Come on. No, don't do this. Okay, now let's put on oil pan. We can, yes, oil pan. Okay. Come on. Now let's put on gearbox. We need first engine plate. Engine plate. Now flywheel. Okay, clutch, we need clutch. Clutch cover and clutch disc. Now I don't remember how this. Yes. And nice. Now, come on. Yeah. 6. Okay, nice. I think I don't. Yes, all is done. Now let's put on gearbox. Yes. Let's turn over this gym block. Okay, devote. Now we need drive gear. Drive gear, where is, oh yeah. 6. Okay. What do we have here? Oil filter. Okay. Gearbox is done. Yes. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like, and part 2 coming soon, where I put this cylinder head and other engine. This. Okay. Yes, goodbye.